Greens one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Got a mail call to share. Because what happened was, I opened it up at home, and I put everything on top of the envelope and set it on the side, you know, kind of pushed it off the side where the keyboard was, and I left it sitting there when I was shooting my shot out. So this is from Harshman Hills. I got his address exposed there. Earth. Sorry, brother. Yeah, I'm on the same planet, so he sent me a slingshot. Isn't that cool? It's a metal slingshot. I haven't shot a slingshot in I don't remember. I haven't had a slingshot since my youth, which is eons ago. He also sent me a forever match. I've got a couple of these, and damn it, I really gotta build a robot or something, or build a device with a boot, and just stand in front of it and let it kick me in the ass sometimes. It's like, dude, get this stuff on film and get using it. And he also threw in a little knife as well. So here it is. Now what I did, I put on my own leather cord because I just like the way it looks. But it's just a little blade. So it's kind of neat. There you go. Got a little cool little knife. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. I do. Now when Grizz comes out, I can be like, whoa, whoa, and you know. And while he's laughing at the hysterics and at the ridiculousness of this little knife, I can make my getaway. And hopefully he won't realize, hey wait, this guy's getting away while I'm laughing. And yeah, so just a cool little knife. I'll have to use it for something. I think it would be a great little fish skinning knife for a fish. You don't have to go super deep. You just kind of slide in and work it down. So that's very cool. Thank you, brother. And oh, well, it actually came with a little piece of paracord on it, but I took the paracord off and went with the leather. I just think it looks better. I mean, I do the same thing on my I got a bunch of junk on it. I did the same thing on my BK7. I just do it for aesthetics. I just like the way it looks. I think it looks cool. I mean, I guess I can get a couple fingers in there, but I don't really worry that much about it. I just like the way it looks. Plus, when I'm pulling it, I can yank it. But so let's get these two back in the bag. He did write on the back, sorry it took so long, brother, you don't have nothing to apologize for. I think it's pretty awesome. Now, I actually have slingshot bands. I've had these a long time, and I got them back in the day when everyone was like, oh my god, you gotta carry slingshot bands. So of course I jumped on the bandwagon and got some. So I'm gonna get these on. And actually, I just did a review today, so I've got a Amazon box I can open, and I'm gonna try shooting at it. So I think that's the way it goes. So you put pressure so it won't fly off. I haven't shot a slingshot in you know, 30 years, so it's been a little while. So I'm gonna go find some pebbles and then shoot the. Yeah, I'm gonna go to town on the Amazon box. Maybe I'll have to hang these a little bit better. Oh, I think I already got a little cut in it. Not sure you're supposed to tie it on there or what, but yikes. Alright, so I got my I went and picked up some rocks off the road, and I got my cardboard box set up right there, and I'll try a few shots. If I hit the box, I'll be happy. Because I haven't shot one in a long time. Wow. Nope. Nope. So, yeah, the little ends. I might have to get the other camera for a close-up. I think the metal ripped through it, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to tie it on there or just put them on there, because I was pulling it this way so it wouldn't come off. Yeah, I don't know jack about slingshots, by the way. Not anything. Like I said, I think I had a wrist rocket, but I think I barely shot it. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. I was pulling it like this. See? Thinking that it would, if I pulled it this way, it would just slip off under tension like it just did. So I think I'm supposed to tie them on there. But I might look into some, it may be too short, or I may have to get longer. I don't know. I don't really know anything about slingshots, like I said. So I'm going to have to do some research. I think I'll keep the Roxo and give it another shot. But I do thank you again, Harshman Hills, for the slingshot. It's pretty cool. I'll have to figure out how to use it properly and then get back to you. So, till then, peace out. Have a good one.